Hey guys, it's Zoe here again, and I'm talking to you from the comfort of my home. I'm just sitting in my kitchen right now, and I thought I'd make a video on unboxing my first ever investment in precious metals. So I ordered from usgoldborrow.com. They're a privately owned company, and they have gold bars, bullions, and luminescent coins. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. And so the package has just arrived. Here's the first class package that arrived for me, and there you go. I'm just about to unbox it right now. It's well wrapped, and in fact they shipped it day before yesterday, and it took one complete day to get here. The box is kind of heavy, so I believe there's quite a bit of silver in there. And here's my cat Mushu. Hey Mushu. Hey kitty cat. And that's my little dog Satoshi over there. He just likes to sit and watch for now. He's kind of intimidated by my cat. So let me go ahead and unbox this beauty right here so we can admire the bullion bars. So I'm using a scissor just to cut through it. I think a blade or a thermocol cutter would have worked better, but for now let me just use what I have. It's a pair of kitchen scissors, and I've used these a lot to cut a lot of things. Oh god. Mushu kitty cat. My cat Mushu, he likes to be around me. He usually lends a helping hand regardless of what I'm doing, and it's like he likes to help in his own way. Look at him. Hey there Mushi. What's up, Mush? See, he's very curious. He wants to help. My apologies. It's taking a while to delicately cut this out because they've done a really good job wrapping